Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are safe and may be excited for my class. So I am here to teach you SST Standard 2 Chapter 6, and the chapter name is Our Food. So in this chapter we will see that from where we get food and which type of food gives us energy and which one is not good for our health. Now before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members and with your dear ones. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. Please don't go outside because we are in very pandemic disease issues like disease situations like COVID-19. So it's better that we can enjoy inside our house. We can play the Ludo, PUBG, Carom, then video games, then you can read the chapter also, then you can write also so that your handwriting will improve. Then after if you don't, then after you can attend your online classes. So before the summer vacation, I just used to teach you SST through Ylings. Only that before the vacation I am teaching you English, and English I think it's almost all chapter has completed. So the English homework and SST homework, both I will upload on the on the Hertford International School link. So you just go there website and then you can check your homework and you can complete down in your copy, because homework is very important. You have to complete all the homework. So once school will open, I will ask to you question and I will ask all homework and you have to show me all the homeworks, because I have all the details I have written in my diaries, and you have to also complete it in your fair copy. You should be in good handwriting, legible handwriting, and dark pencil. Now, I think that you guys had completed your holiday homework and you have enjoyed a lot. So in holiday homework, I think that you will not got any problem, because I have given much easier to complete the project work. So whenever the school will open, I will ask to you for the project work and you have to show me. So let's go to the chapter. If you have the book, then please open and sit in front of the online classes. If you don't have the book, please purchase it as soon as possible. So let's go through the chapter. Now, when you come back from school, you are tired and hungry. Suppose once your school is over and once you return to your home, on that time you feel what? You feel tired and hungry. What do you do then? Then on that time what you will do? You wash your hands and eat your food. So on that time you will just wash your hand, you will wear the another clothes, and then after you just eat your food. Now we all eat food to alive. Means to alive we have to eat a food. It gives us energy to work and play and help us to grow strong and healthy. Food is what? Food is very important because it helps us to give us energy to work. Whatever I'm shooting the videos for online classes. So it is what I'm giving my energy. So what? For energy, food is very important. So energy what? To gives us energy to work, to play, and to help us to give us strong and healthy. So food gives us energy also to work and to play. In fact, it just helps us to grow and it helps us to grow strong and healthy. Every day we eat different types of food. Now every day we eat what? Different types of food. I think in stand-up when you have learned about the foods, that from where we get the food and we eat different types of foods. So here in this chapter also we will see that different types of food. So in every day we should what? We just eat different types of food. So here is page number 31. Some pictures are there of food. First is what? Fruits and vegetables. Then eggs and milk, cereals and grains, butter and cheese, fish and meat, nuts and oils. So these all is what? It's a different types of foods and we used to eat it in every day. Every day means we are just changing the food meal and then after we are eating just like fruits and vegetables, eggs and milk, cereals and grains, butter and cheese, fish and meat and nuts and oils. Next, sources of food. Sources of food. Next topic is there, sources of food. It means what? That from where we get the food and from where we get food. Now the answer question is, do you know where our food comes? Now do you know that from where our food, whatever we are eating like fruits, vegetables, eggs, meat, cereals, grains, butter, cheese, fish and meat, nuts and oil. Now these all from where it comes? Answer is, it comes from plant and animals. It comes from plants as well as animals. So from plants and animals, the all food comes from the plants and animals. Now let's go to the plants, that what gives us plants and what gives us, which type of food gives us plants and which type of food gives us animals. Now plants gives us fruits, vegetables, grain, nuts and oils. Now plant is what? Plant gives us like fruits, different types of fruits are there, then vegetables, then grains, nuts and oils. So these all the different types of foods which we get from the plant. Next is, we get milk and milk products. Means we get milk, and milk product means that with the help of milk this product has made like the butter, cheese, curd, ghee, eggs, meat and meat products from animals. So these all we get from the plants, like milk products like cheese, curd, sweet, butter, eggs and meat product. This we are getting from the plant. So we get usually food from the plants as well as from animals. Next is page number 32. Most food needs to be cooked before eating. Means most of the foods before eating we just need to cook in gas. We use with different types of spices. Like vegetables are there. If some food what before cooking we just eat the fruits. But vegetable is what? It is very important to cook before eat. So some food is what? It needs to be cooked before eating. We cook food in many ways. Means we can cook different types of foods in different style. Some food can also be eaten raw, which means without being cooked. Now some food is what we can eat raw, like the radish. Then here is fruits are there. Then I think onion are there. So this is what? These all is foods we can eat as raw. Raw means without cooking, without being cooked. So some food is also there that before cooking we can't eat, and some food is also there that we can eat raw. Raw means that we can eat without being cooked also. So did you know is there? Just go there. Some of the methods of cooking are boiling, baking, roasting, frying and steaming. So these all is what? It's a different types of methods to cook the food. Like boiling, if we want to boil noodles, then we can boil the noodles. Then if spinach are there, then these all the vegetable leaves are there. So with the help of boiling we can cook also. Baking, like biscuits are there, then pizza, these all is baking. Roasting, then frying, something we are frying. Then steaming, like idli, upma, these all it is with the help of method of cooking of these. So these all is also method of cooking. From this style also we can cook food and we can take a delicious food also. Now some foods like salad, fruit chaat and fruit juice can be had raw. Now we can eat without cooking. These all is the foods that we can eat without cooked. Like salad, fruit chaat and fruit juice we can eat without being cooked also. Now importance of food and 3 meals a day. These are the 2 topics that we will see in the next videos, part 2. Please guys watch the next videos and please stay at home and enjoy your time with your family members. Don't go outside, just be inside, and you can attend the online classes. Once the online class will over, please again you will go through the chapter and read line by line. Thank you and have a nice day.